Hey guys, it's Saul here at Autotek, and today we're going to talk about new cars versus used cars. Now, during COVID, new car prices went through the roof. Everybody was doing everything they could to get their hands on them. Chip shortages made production stop. Nothing could get done. People couldn't buy these cars. Now, we're on the flip side of that. New car prices are falling like a rock. New Gladiators, $35,000. New RAV4s selling for the exact same cost as used RAV4s. Colorado market cars selling at Colorado market values. So, you come into the mechanic and I tell you need a $3,000 repair and you go, you know what? That new car I wanted used to be 55 grand. Today, this year, right now, it's only 40 grand. Maybe I'm just gonna go buy that car instead because it now sounds more appealing. Well, let's talk about that. Now, here's why I don't want you to do that. Selfishly, you go, well, he's a mechanic. Of course he doesn't want you to buy a new car. No, I won't buy a new car because too many new cars have too many problems that leave them dead in the tracks, unable to get repaired, costly repairs for fancy systems that we don't need, that we don't have solutions for. So, you bought that new Tundra, the most reliable car company on the planet, and that engine fails, they don't have a good solution for it. I love Toyota, they're a great car company, but they don't have a solution yet. You bought that brand new truck and you can't drive it. So I drive my 20-year-old Chevy. Why? The problems are known, the repairs are known, there are common solutions and the parts are available everywhere on the shelf, ready to go. So if you're looking at buying a new car and you're thinking to yourself, you know what? Saul handed me this $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 estimate. That's not worth it. I'm going to go trade it in and buy a new car. We know our competition is the new car and that it's not the guy across the street. So here's what I want you to remember. The taxes on that new car are probably as much as the estimate that I wrote for you. You want to buy another used one? You're probably just buying somebody else's problems. The one you have, we know the things about, you know the things about, and we can keep on the road for pennies on the dollar compared to that new one. You want the new one? Let's go talk about its reliability, its downtime, and what it'll take to take care of it in the long run to make sure that you're prepared for those costs. Those added repair costs on those new parts, the added time delays of getting those things through production, the added cost of those insurance, and worst case scenario, that anxiety you get in the parking lot when you leave it alone hoping somebody doesn't touch it wrong. We love you here at Sauls Autotek. We want you reliable. So keep that car, keep it reliable, keep it on the road, keep seeing us 366 days this year, open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you want to know about yours, is it worth fixing? Are you worried about that big repair? Something's got you anxious, guilty, feeling that little bit about it. Let us turn that screw and get it tightened down for you and get it taken care of. You have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.